Here with offensive coordinator Coach Hoover. Coach, can you just tell me about how these first few months on the staff have been and how that work has all translated into spring football?
Yeah, it's been awesome. I think we have really great kids. I think they're bought into this place. They're bought into what we're selling. I think Coach Engel's done a phenomenal job getting a really good staff around them. And I got nothing but positives. This has been a phenomenal start to what we're doing here.
Yeah, and being the offensive coordinator, can you tell me what you've seen out of your offense that's excited you through these first few weeks of spring ball?
Especially today, guys play hard for each other. We talk about that really in all of our meetings of just trying to be the best teammates we can be, growing and learning and doing this thing together. We're executing, better and better every single day, and I'm really, really excited about where we're heading.
Yeah, you got a lot of new faces, both on the coaching staff and, players. How has your team adjusted to the new plays and schemes that they've been learning throughout spring, especially today, with today being the first day of full pads?
I really do credit to, Coach Connolly, Coach Taggart, Coach Goodrow, and Coach Engel, just being great teachers. Installing a brand new offense is not easy. And our guys are executing higher than I think even we thought. We've tried to keep it simple and make sure that they get the reps we need. We coach off of the tape, and I think our offensive staff brings a lot of energy, and our guys really match it. They're bought in. They ask great questions. They do everything that we're trying to get done. So couldn't be prouder of the guys we have out here.
All right, Coach. Well, thanks for joining us, and good luck with the rest of the spring practice.
Awesome. I appreciate you.